Never heard of her.
Who? They go by what? Nipples. M-P-L-S, right? Nipples. They also go by what? The crow. The crows. They go by the crows. Crows? No. Birds. Some fucking birds. Just birds!
Fucking birds.
See, I can come up with a variety of things. Facts about crows, and we can find some witty ways to rip them apart from head to toe. We know how to do that. We know how to do that. We're Detroit. But you know what? I just want to share one thing.
Yo, crow.
Birds, I don't like birds. Get these fucking birds off my yard! I'll show you one thing about crows, alright? Birds, they're scavengers. Crows eat, they're opportunistic eaters. They're opportunistic eaters. They eat whatever they can find. They eat seeds. We plant seeds for beautiful things that can grow into things that can nourish many, many people. What you enjoy here on Friday night, it started off as a seed, right? A few ideas on a napkin at PJ's Lager, other pubs in Detroit, and grew into what we get to have the opportunity to explore on Friday, on Sunday, on whatever day that we decide to come to Keyworth and play. But we continue to grow what we hear, what we see, what we smell. Tonight was once a seed, but it's not a seed anymore. It's not a seed anymore tonight. What was once a seed, once a small little vulnerable seed, that grew up to be a very, very, very strong entity, is going to put the crow to sleep. We don't eat crow. We don't eat crow. We bury crow. You want to stick with city or you should? Stick with city or you should? You want to stick with city or you should? You want to stick with city or you should? You want to stick with city or you should? You want to stick with city or you should? You want to stick with city or you should?
Tonight's the culmination of a really fucking amazing season so far. There's been a lot of numbers thrown out there. 10-1-3 record. 33 goal differential. 12-game unbeaten streak. $26,000 raised for the Ruth Ellis Center. That really don't matter from this point on. Tonight, the moment you walk into Keyworth, I want you to keep two numbers in your mind. That first number is 90. 90 minutes. Those boys are going to be giving it all for us on the pitch. 90 minutes. You need to give them your voices to know that no matter what, you are behind them. The other number is 1. All that other shit, it only matters because there's one team in this city